Hello friends, I'm Dr. Sachin Marda, Clinical Director, Surgical Oncologist at Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad. This video is very important as far as all of us young adult concerned, because the rising trends of cancer in young adults is very concerning for all of us. India has a strength of young adults. If you see the demography, India is one of the few countries where we have the highest population of from 30 to 50, 60 years, which are very productive years of anybody's life. And young manpower is the strength of India, and we have very much high potential because of it. Skilled manpower and so many other things which depends on the young adults. And this is also a concern for me because now young adults are coming with a lot of health elements. Important is cancer. And in this video, we'll just see what are the issues and how we can tackle it and how we can reduce the cancer burden in young adults in India. First and foremost, when I was resident, during my medical training 20 years back, we used to see 60 years, 70 years, 80 years patient having cancer. But now, after 15, 20 years in my practice, I am looking at 20, 25, 30, 35 young patients with cancer. And most common cancers in women, they are breast cancer and gynecological cancers. In young adults, they are colorectal cancer, stomach cancer, and sometimes lung cancer, and oral head and neck cancer. So there are few important reasons for it. One is genetics and other is environmental factors. The term called as epigenetics. EP is environment, genetics is genetical factors. Yes, we cannot alter whatever hereditary for us, whatever genes come from father and mother or from family, we have to go through that. But at least we can alter the other part, environmental factors. So what are the environmental factors which can cause cancer? These are called as carcinogens. The chemical agents or physical agents which cause cancer, they call as carcinogens. And in chemical carcinogens, we have all the addictions like tobacco, smoking, these excessive exposure of the chemicals, pesticides, preservatives. Beware, whatever you are eating, unhealthy food or preserved food or packet food or shelf food, they are all with the chemicals, and that can cause cancer. Again, second is microplastic. Whatever it is there preserved in the plastic material, over the period of time, those microplastic, when we ingest or when we inhale, that can also cause cancer. Third important thing is chronic inflammation. Sometimes acute infection is good for our body, it improves immunity, but chronic inflammation with high glycemic index food, with excessive consumption of high carbohydrate atoms, sugars, salts, or deep fried atoms, all those things can cause again chronic inflammation leading to various cancers. Third important is hormonal imbalance, especially in women's. Getting early menarche, late menopause or late marriages, late first kids, and absence of breastfeeding, all these factors create hormonal imbalance and cause more of breast cancers and uterine or gynecological cancers. So these are broadly the issues which we are facing with the young adults, and I think answer you know. Please remember, our India is a strength of our young adults, so it is our responsibility to preserve our health and give best to our nation and being a proud India and make India proud. So please follow the healthy practices, eat good food, healthy food. In the name of diet, it is not less food, but it is proper healthy food. Avoid, yes, 80%, 20% rule you can follow, where 80% of the time you are eating good food, you are doing regular exercise, physical activity, avoiding obesity, overweight, all those things. 20% once a while you can cheat yourself, you can consume whatever you like, the other food, but consistent in your good healthy practices. Avoid all addictions. Keep checking your health regularly, annually, with the health checkups and some cancers checkup, and know your family history. If there is any suspicious multiple people in your family are getting cancer, please meet the consultant or genetician to take the precautions necessary steps. So I've just outlined the idea of how to be healthy and warning signs of having young adult cancer which are coming to us for the treatment, and it is alarming, it is concerning, but at the same time it is in our hand. Let us unite together and fight this war against cancer. Thank you.
Like, comment and subscribe for more health updates.